sleeping in the same bed. You get a point? So, learn to do presentation online. What must online presentation? Guys, we have over 8 billion people in the universe. 8 billion. Move to Uganda, you have 54 million. Now we are looking at 8 billion people. And someone tells you, the world is having 8 billion people. We have Africa. Right now, we need to prospect it. But you want to Dr. Mumaji. That waking up. Let us now wake up and work. But when I have a bank, I'm not having an email. Umubuza olina email ulaga email chichi.
Ngade baji panga muri simu.
Ngale na smartphone ajira itamanyi na email yi.
Ano kujisanga sikyabijjukira.
Nagamba email ojira isina password yayo.
Yes.
Eba na Uganda. Musonyi okwogera ko bwe. But Ugandans tuswaza. Kanete mnatwaye tuswaza bana Uganda. We are so oba Museveni atukuziza kyekyo. Oba yatonona kuwononi. You know?
Swala doza kuswala.
Ugandans. Muna Uganda. Golaga business ya mitwalo 10. Nagamba ezo sente nga nyingi. N'omusange kya mu bbaala.
Nanywe 10.
N'aginywa.
Sawa fili.
N'agulira n'abantu nawe bakuwe. Muna Uganda golaga business ya mitwalo 10 nagamba enkya Christmas. You know Christmas is going to Christmas first when we get away again. Now you watch Christmas yes to Uganda. Now, you guys in Gamuchari Kubana Uganda ba. Ngatuchari Kubana Uganda. Sikame tubalike. Ninga tuchari baliko. We need to learn how to tap into other economies. Or people who are awake. And how are we going to do this? Toilet ticket here in Zambia right now. But with the internet, you can fly to where?